Let's explore why we get those annoying hiccups sometimes. It all starts with the diaphragm, a muscle that helps us breathe. As we breathe in, the diaphragm moves downward, creating space. When we exhale, it moves upward, pushing air out of our lungs. But sometimes, the diaphragm contracts involuntarily, causing hiccups. This sudden contraction leads to a quick intake of breath. The vocal cords then close, creating that distinctive hic sound. Hiccups can happen for many reasons, like eating too fast or excitement. They usually go away on their own, but they can be quite annoying. So next time you get hiccups, remember the diaphragm's role. It's a quirky reminder of how our bodies work in mysterious ways. Thanks for watching. Stay curious about your amazing body.